till another Huffous adventure.
Bom dia, filho.
Good morning, Mom. Shall we go for a walk today? I love a good cuddle. What is that in your hand?
Da patinha. Oh, garoto.
I love my little bone.
Pede papá.
My little bone is so delicious. Besides being delicious, I clean my teeth. I don't even care about mommy pizza. I have a little bone. We finally arrived at the tree. This sand tastes different. I think I got tiles from the water. Just a little more wet, mommy. It is so hot, I want to cool off. This water is cold. Mommy always scratches my face. The waterfall water is so cold. I am going to lie down right here. Mommy, I am all clean. Are you going to embarrass me like that? Are you trying to win me over with that little gravity? I am going to get ready for a play. Jump, jump, jump. I am going to get you, mommy. But you want to get me. Oops, she got me. I let go of it. Are you sure? More, then I want a little more. Here I go. Hi, do you want to be my friend? Of course, there you go, Mom. Are you sure? I like you too. You can see the whole world. I am going to get up to Sonic Ignition. I love you, Mom. Chimiteosu. This seems like a good place to cool off. Mommy, ele foi you. Little jump, little jump. Jump, jump. I love you, mommy. See you on the next adventure.